Alright folks, this is my problem. He and his friends have been destroying my bird feeders for years, and no matter what I do, they keep coming back for more. And my security guard? Please, he's completely useless. Look at him. So I've decided to build something just for him. I'm not sure if it's going to fix the problem or make it worse, but we're going to find out. These squirrels have been absolutely relentless. I mean, they wiped this thing out in like a day. And now it's not just the food, they're starting to chew them up too. I've tried moving them and I've tried scaring them off, but nothing seems to work. So I figured instead of fighting them, why not just give them their own feeder? Something simple, something cheap, and just enough to keep them busy. I'm just using cedar fence pickets for this. Nothing fancy, just something quick and solid. The idea is just basically to give them something to use as a platform with a screw in it to hold the corn in place. So I cut all my edges and pieces out, and then I just get on the bandsaw and I rip the final two pieces. That'll be the sides. He's already inspecting the materials. That's not a great sign there. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just keep it sturdy and keep it simple. I'm using waterproof wood glue per usual, and I'm measuring up with my slide rule about 3.5 inches. Then I just start applying glue to the sides as well, and once I get those in place, I'll attach them with brad nails too. The brad nails are mostly just to hold it all together until the glue dries, but they do provide some sort of support. So once it gets kind of weathered and beat up by the squirrels, hopefully the brad nails will still be able to keep it together to some extent. So once I get the first side on, I just spin it around and attach the other side. Then I flip it over on its face, and using a square, I lay it across the back and just run down the side of it with the brad nailer to make sure that I hit the shelf in the front. So now on the bottom, I just marked center, and then I measured up from the back about 4 inches. And then using a small pilot drill, I just drilled a hole in and then ran in a wood screw. Up at the top, I just drilled a small hole in the back, but I didn't go all the way through. And then I just attached the soda can tab to help hold it up on a post or whatever I mounted on. So now with my beeswax and mineral oil concoction, I just use a rag and just try to rub it into the wood as best as I can, just to help protect it in the weather. It's a food grade and it is safe mineral oil, and it will not harm the squirrels or animals in any way. I kind of feel like this is a better option because I know eventually that they're probably going to chew this up too, and I don't want them to come back with a mouthful of poly or anything like that. So that's why I use the food grade mineral oil concoction to try to protect it if any time an animal is going to be involved or exposed to it. And here it is. It's simple to build, but it should do the job. Nice solid cedar and a fresh piece of corn right in the middle. Alright, and here's the moment of truth. There he is. He's definitely interested in it. And yeah, I might have made things worse, but the squirrels are happy and the bird feeder might finally survive. And as for security, still useless. Thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate your support. If you would like the plans for this build, they're available in the member section of the channel. Shout out to K-Law and TS Tree. Thank you for your continued support. You are greatly appreciated, my friends. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hype on your way out. And I'll see you on the next one.